Turkish KaaN vs. Su-57, a detailed comparison study. The aviation world is abuzz with the emergence of the Turkish KaaN, a fifth-generation fighter jet designed to enhance Turkey's strategic air capabilities. Naturally, comparisons arise between the KaaN and established fifth-generation fighters like Russia's Sukhoi Su-57. Both jets embody cutting-edge technology, but they differ in design philosophy, capabilities, and strategic deployment. Let's analyze their features, strengths, and limitations. 1. Design and stealth capabilities. KaaN. Manufacturer. Turkish Aerospace Industries (TAI). Stealth focus. The KaaN emphasizes radar evading stealth with its sleek design and reduced radar cross-section (RCS). Its fuselage incorporates advanced composite materials to minimize detectability. Design philosophy. Prioritizes multi-role functionality, incorporating stealth for air superiority, ground attack, and reconnaissance. Aerodynamics. Features a twin-engine layout and canted vertical stabilizers, optimized for agility and low observability. Su-57. Manufacturer. Sukhoi, under Russia's United Aircraft Corporation. Stealth characteristics. The Su-57 uses radar-absorbing materials and internal weapon bays to lower its RCS but is not as stealth-focused as Western fifth-generation jets like the F-35. Design philosophy. Combines stealth with an emphasis on supermaneuverability, thanks to thrust-vectoring engines. Aerodynamics. A unique blended wing body design provides agility and reduced drag, enhancing stealth and performance. 2. Engine performance and maneuverability. KaaN. Engines. Twin-engine configuration, with plans for indigenous engines developed in partnership with international firms. Current prototypes use engines like General Electric's F-110. Thrust-to-weight ratio. Comparable to leading fifth-gen jets, supporting supersonic cruise (supercruise) without afterburners. Maneuverability. Designed for agility in both air-to-air combat and ground attack missions, though its supermaneuverability may lag behind the Su-57. Su-57. Engines. Powered by the Saturn AL-41F1 engines, with plans for upgraded Izdali A-30 engines. Thrust-to-weight ratio. Supports supercruise capabilities and unmatched thrust vectoring, enabling extreme maneuverability. Maneuverability. Su-57 outshines the KaaN in dogfights, with its thrust vectoring nozzles allowing tight turns and high angles of attack. 3. Avionics and sensor suite. KaaN. Radar. Equipped with an advanced active electronically scanned array (AESA) radar for superior target tracking and engagement. Sensors. Features electro-optical targeting systems (EOTS) and distributed aperture systems (DOS) for a comprehensive 360-degree situational awareness. Data fusion. Emphasizes multi-sensor data integration, supporting network-centric warfare and interoperability with NATO forces. Su-57. Radar. Utilizes the N036 Bilka AESA radar, offering multi-band detection and tracking. Sensors. Incorporates an infrared search and track (IRST) system for passive target detection, particularly effective against stealth aircraft. Data fusion. Limited compared to Western systems but still capable of fusing sensor inputs for advanced situational awareness. 4. Armament. KaaN. Weapons loadout. Designed to carry a mix of air-to-air missiles AIM-120M ROM, precision-guided munitions, and air-to-ground ordnance in internal weapon bays to maintain stealth. Payload capacity. Expected to support a wide variety of NATO-compatible munitions. Future compatibility. Capable of integrating hypersonic missiles and directed energy weapons as technology advances. Su-57. Weapons loadout. Carries a mix of advanced air-to-air missiles R-77, R-37M, precision-guided bombs, and hypersonic missiles. Payload capacity. Features both internal weapon bays for stealth missions and external hardpoints for increased payload. Unique edge. The Su-57 boasts the Kinjal hypersonic missile, providing unparalleled reach and strike capabilities. 5. Operational scope. KaaN. Target market. Primarily designed for Turkey's defense needs and NATO-aligned partners. Multi-role capability. Focused on flexibility in diverse mission profiles, from air dominance to ground strikes. Cost efficiency. Aims to offer fifth-generation performance at a competitive price, making it attractive to mid-tier militaries. Su-57. Target market: Russia and allied nations, with limited export potential due to geopolitical constraints. Mission focus: excels in air dominance and penetrating advanced air defenses, with secondary ground attack roles. Cost efficiency: high production costs and limited availability make it less accessible to global markets. 6. Strengths and limitations. KaaN strengths: superior stealth integration, advanced NATO-compatible avionics and weaponry, cost-effective production for allied markets. KaaN limitations: relatively untested in real-world scenarios, potential delays in indigenous engine development. Su-57 strengths: exceptional maneuverability and thrust vectoring, hypersonic missile capability, battle-tested in limited roles in Ukraine and Syria. Su-57 limitations: higher RCS compared to Western and NATO-aligned 5th-gen jets. Limited production scale and export restrictions. 7. Export potential and geopolitical implications. KaaN export market: the KaaN is designed with export in mind, particularly targeting NATO allies, Middle Eastern countries, and other nations seeking advanced yet cost-effective 5th-generation fighters. Strategic implications: as a NATO member, Turkey's export of the KaaN could strengthen the military capabilities of allied nations, counterbalancing adversarial powers like Russia and China. Geopolitical leverage: Turkey's ability to indigenously produce a competitive 5th-generation fighter enhances its position in global defense markets, potentially reducing dependency on traditional suppliers like the U.S. Su-57 export market: the Su-57 faces challenges in attracting buyers due to high costs, sanctions on Russian defense industries, and concerns about technology transfer. Strategic implications: its limited export potential reduces Russia's ability to influence global air power dynamics, although countries like India and China have shown interest in the past. Geopolitical constraints: sanctions and strained international relations have restricted Russia's ability to market the Su-57 widely, limiting its adoption. 8. Future development and upgrades. KaaN planned enhancements: Turkey aims to integrate cutting-edge technologies, such as artificial intelligence (AI), for mission planning, unmanned operations, and swarming capabilities. Indigenous engine development: future variants of the KaaN are expected to feature domestically produced engines, reducing reliance on foreign suppliers and increasing export appeal. Modular design: the aircraft is designed for scalability, allowing for easy integration of future systems like directed energy weapons and hypersonic missiles. Su-57 upgraded engines: the introduction of ISDAL-A-30 engines will enhance the Su-57's thrust, fuel efficiency, and supercruise capabilities, addressing one of its key limitations. Stealth improvements: Russia is reportedly working on advanced radar-absorbing coatings to further reduce the Su-57's radar cross-section. AI integration: Russia plans to incorporate AI-driven avionics and combat systems to improve situational awareness and decision-making in high-intensity environments. 9. Cost and maintenance. KaaN production cost: estimated to be more cost-effective than competitors like the F-35, making it an attractive option for countries with moderate defense budgets. Maintenance: the KaaN is designed with ease of maintenance in mind, reducing operational costs and ensuring high mission availability. Affordability: its modular architecture and reliance on local suppliers aim to keep costs low, ensuring broader market accessibility. Su-57 production cost: the Su-57's advanced systems and low production scale result in higher costs, limiting its affordability for many nations. Maintenance: maintenance of the Su-57 is complex and resource-intensive, partly due to its sophisticated engines and avionics. Affordability: Russia has struggled to produce the Su-57 at scale, leading to higher per-unit costs and limiting its competitive edge. 10. Role in modern warfare. KaaN network-centric warfare: designed to operate seamlessly in NATO-led operations, the KaaN is equipped for network missions, sharing data with allied assets such as AWACS, drones, and ground stations. Air dominance: its stealth, advanced avionics, and precision weapons make it a formidable platform for establishing air superiority in contested environments. Multi-role versatility: the KaaN's design allows it to excel in diverse roles, from intercepting enemy aircraft to conducting deep strike missions behind enemy lines. Su-57 Standalone capability. The Su-57 is optimized for Russia's specific needs, focusing on autonomous operations without reliance on a broader networked ecosystem. Air dominance. Its supermaneuverability and advanced missile systems make it highly effective in air-to-air combat, particularly in close-range engagements. Penetration of defenses. The Su-57's ability to evade enemy radar and deliver hypersonic strikes makes it a valuable asset for penetrating heavily defended airspace. Comparison overview. Key metrics. Stealth. The KaaN offers advanced stealth capabilities meeting NATO standards, while the Su-57 has moderate stealth, prioritizing agility over radar invisibility. Maneuverability. The KaaN provides high maneuverability, but the Su-57 surpasses it with exceptional performance due to thrust vectoring engines. Engine. The KaaN uses twin engines currently GEF 110, with plans for indigenous options, whereas the Su-57 relies on Saturn AL-41F1 engines, with future upgrades to ISDALI A-30. Avionics. The KaaN features cutting-edge, NATO-compatible avionics, while the Su-57 has advanced systems but lacks the integration level of its Western counterparts. Weapons. The KaaN supports NATO munitions and is scalable for future weapons, whereas the Su-57 offers advanced options, including hypersonic missiles. Cost. The KaaN is competitively priced for broader accessibility, while the Su-57 is expensive due to limited production and advanced features. Export potential. The KaaN has high export potential, targeting NATO and allied markets, while the Su-57 faces geopolitical constraints and limited appeal. Operational scope. The KaaN excels in multi-role operations air, land, and reconnaissance, while the Su-57 focuses primarily on air superiority and penetrating enemy defenses. Final thoughts. The Turkish KaaN and Russian Su-57 reflect the evolution of fifth-generation fighters tailored to their respective geopolitical contexts. The KaaN stands out as a versatile, cost-effective option aligned with NATO standards, making it appealing to a wide range of countries. Meanwhile, the Su-57 excels in raw combat performance and unique capabilities like thrust vectoring and hypersonic weaponry, though its broader adoption is hindered by cost and geopolitical factors. As the global military landscape evolves, both aircraft will play pivotal roles in shaping air combat dynamics. The KaaN's adaptability and affordability may grant it a broader market, while the Su-57's raw performance ensures its relevance in high-stakes engagements. The ultimate choice between the two depends on a nation's strategic needs, alliances, and budgetary constraints. Conclusion. While the Turkish KaaN and the Russian Su-57 are both cutting-edge fifth-generation fighters, they cater to different operational needs and markets. The KaaN prioritizes stealth, multi-role functionality, and NATO integration, making it a promising contender in the global defense industry. In contrast, the Su-57 focuses on supermaneuverability, advanced weaponry, and air dominance but is constrained by production challenges and geopolitical factors. Ultimately, the choice between the two depends on a nation's strategic priorities, defense alliances, and budgetary considerations. As both jets evolve, they will shape the future of aerial warfare in unique ways.